Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload your mod to ModDB. If you don't know what ModDB is a website where you can upload your mods to for Hello Neighbor. If you don't have Hello Neighbor on Steam or the Steam Workshop's just being a butt. And you can also download mods off the the ModDB. So there's two things you want to make sure before you start uploading your mod to ModDB. 1, make sure your mod is done. 2, make sure you have a ModDB account. Once that's all done, head into your mod kit, really. And then you want to go and right-click on anything in the content browser as long as it's not one of these folders. See, if I right-click, you cannot show and explore. Pretend that's not there. So you want to click on something that's not in a file. Right-click. No, I said right-click. Then Show and Explorer. Then your file manager will pop up. You want to go Hello Neighbor. Then you want to go Mods. And you want to go down to Test. Or, depending on the name of your mod, the one I'm uploading is called Test, not Test Mod. The one I'm uploading is called Test. Yours can be called whatever. So for me, I'm going to get Test. For you, you grab the name of your mod. Like my newest mod, What's in the Basement. Very epic mod. You should go download it. It's on the Steam Workshop. Go download it now. So you want to go test, or whatever the name of your mod is. It's probably not test, unless you're testing something. But you want to right click, copy in your mod, and close out that, minimize that, and you're going to right click on there, and you're going to paste to your test desktop. Once you have it paste on your desktop, you want to right click, new folder, name it whatever, that works too. Then you want to take your test and put it into the folder. Then once it's in the folder, you want to open the folder, right click on test, or again, whatever the name of your mod is. Then you're going to want to send to compressive folder. Then close out that. And just put it somewhere on your desktop. I'll put it down here with the rest of my files and stuff. Then you want to head over to ModDB. So I already have it pulled open. So here you go. If you don't know what the website is, it's up here, moddb.com/mod/add. Then once you're here, you want to choose a file. You want to select your picture. Releasing date, it's going to be today. Or if you're uploading a mod in early access, you want to go early access and select the day. Or if you're still working on it, you just want to make the mod page, you can click to be determined. But today we're going to just upload it, so we're going to go 2020 November, and today's the 21st, so we'll make it the 21st. Genre, you want to head down to puzzle, click on puzzle, because Hello Neighbor is really more or less like a puzzle game. Theme, probably going to be horror, because Hello Neighbor is also a horror game. Single player, I'm going to leave it at that, unless you somehow miraculously found out how to make a Hello Neighbor mod multiplayer. But other than that, no, you're going to leave it under single player. For game, you're going to want to look for Hello Neighbor. There you go. And then developer group, leave it on no development group. And then tags, I'll do hashtag fun. Name, we'll name it test mod for E. Test mod for E. Sure, we'll name it that. And then make your summary, their summary has to be at least 50 characters long, so we'll just spam E a little bit because I don't really know what to put there. There you go. Now I'll save the mod. And there you go. So there you go. Once that's done, the profile is completed. Now there's a couple more steps, as you can see, that we need to do. First, add 5 images. You have to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to, but you go ahead. You have to add 5 more images of your gameplay. Once you have that, you don't have to add a video. You can add a video. Set up Twitter feed. You don't have to do that. Unless you want to, upload demo or release. You can click on that. Okay, so now that you have that, also make sure you're logged into your account, otherwise this will not work. But once you click on the edit release, you're going to want to choose a file. Then you're going to want to go to your desktop. You want to look for your mod folder that you made. So we called it FVS. Then you're going to want to click on test.zip. Now, if you don't see this folder, it's probably because you have this on. So what you want to do, oh geez, that's long. So if you don't see the zip folder here, just go ahead, click all files, and it should pop up. Then once you see the zip file here, you're going to click on it, open, and then start uploading. Give it a second. There you go. It has uploaded. Then you can choose a preview image. We're just gonna do this image then. So why not? Oh, and looks like my iMac it looks like the internet decided to die again. Oof. Okay. Well, internet died. That's epic. Hold on just a second. Alright, cool, I'm back on Wi-Fi. Apparently it decided to die again for some reason. Now we're back on Wi-Fi. We can go back down here, category, and, click on whatever the category is. Category doesn't really make sense, actually, to me. What would we put down here? Full version, probably. Unless it's a demo version, like an early access, you're going to want to make it full version. Otherwise, you select what you want it to be, so we're obviously just going to be uploading it, so we're probably just going to be uploading the full mod, so just make it full version. Tags, you can do hashtag fun again, name, test, mod for E, and summary, at least 50 characters long, we'll just spam E again. Very simple, very easy. To spam E. Then once you have that done, that should be it. Platforms, you can upload it for Windows, Mac. What is Hello Neighbor available on? Let's check real quick. Go library. Hello Neighbor, where are you? Hello Neighbor. Hold on. Let's go to the store page. Let's see. What does Hello Neighbor support? Hello Neighbor supports Windows. Okay, so you want to make sure that you select Windows only. Then once you have that done, you can make a description. That works as a description. Obviously, you're going to take more time on making it. I'm just going to try and show you how you guys can make it, because the video is almost 10 minutes, and I don't like to make very long tutorials. And then that's it. So you can link mods, games, engine, software, hardware group. I don't really know what that means, so just going to click on Save Download. Once that is done, you should be... Oh, hold on. What's wrong with the description? At least 100 characters in length. Alright, so we'll just spam the thing, and then we'll just spam some more Fs or something. There you go, that should work. And then, yeah, so make sure that your summary is 50 characters long at least, and make sure that your description is at least 100 characters long, apparently. Then you don't want to upload. And then that should be it. There you go. Your file you are trying to view is currently awaiting the viewing. So basically what this means is that it needs to be, you need to go through ModDB, and you have to, and ModDB peoples need to make sure that it's not a virus. Once that's done, they'll authorize it and they'll upload it. So there you go. You should get an email when it's uploaded to the ModDB. If not, then just keep checking your ModDB page for like the next day or two. And yeah, you should see it. And yeah, it should be updated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so you just have to wait for them to authorize it. It's going to take at least a day or two. And yeah, that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, break out that mod kit, and start modding.